Hi there guys. So in this tutorial, you're going to learn how to domain map your Invanto website using the two platforms, of course Invanto and Siteground as hosting. Okay, to do that, you have to create your membership site. Alright, now just click on options and click on manage site. Alright, and next go to the more tab and click on the domain mapping. Right, so we are asked to set a domain name for this particular membership site. So what you have to do is go to your SiteGround hosting and create a subdomain for this member factory membership site. All right, so we are now inside the cPanel and let's create a subdomain. So let's click on subdomains. Then let's choose what domain name. So we're going to use this Digital Masters Academy.net and let's name it sample site 123. All right, so that's it. Sample site 123 Digital Masters Academy.net. All right, well, so let's create. Okay, it's now created and let's go go back. Then we will see here on the list that we already created the domain name. So let's search for it. Sample site 123. There you go. Then let's copy this domain name. All right. Then let's paste this to our Invanto Member factory. All right. So it also says that we have to change the CNAME record of our domain name. All right, so we're going to use this mf.invanto.io. So let's copy. Of course, we have to click verify and save. After that, let's go to our cPanel again. And we are going to modify our CNAME for that subdomain. So let's click on Advanced DNS Zone. And let's choose the domain name. All right, and let's look for that subdomain we had created earlier, that sample site. Right, where is it? Sample site. Scroll. All right, here it is. So let's just click on edit. This one, sample site 123. And let's choose the type. It should be CNAME. And let's paste that Invanto gave us. .mf.invanto.io and click on edit record. That's it. And you should also modify this, the one with the www. So let's click on edit and change the name. Again, paste that mf.invanto.io. All right, then that's it. So after modifying, you will have to wait for the verification of the SSL on this site. Yeah, right. So after clicking verify and save again, you can see that this one waiting for SSL certificate issuance, and that's it. So that's how you map your domain, your member factory to your SiteGround hosting. All right. Bye bye.